Today I've got a couple of awesome tools that I think you should have for your day-to-day repairs. You may have seen these tools in other videos, as they are the tools that come in the self-service repair kits from Apple themselves. I'm going to be talking about how to use them and the benefit of using them.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
I've pushed it all the way to the back. Squeeze down here and we'll put the pressure on both of those clamps. And looks like someone's opened this phone before because that came off really easily. You can see this tool prevents you from opening it too much so you don't tear any of the cables. We'll flip down the latches, remove the suction cups, and take the phone out. There we go. Grab my iPhone 10. We'll insert our phone. Lift up the screen. And we'll let the suction cups do their thing. Now hands-free, I can get at and remove those screws. We'll then disconnect the battery. And it looks like whenever this battery was replaced, they didn't use the pull tabs. Let me just verify that. Yep. It's like they just used a little bit of tape, which will definitely hold the battery in place, but I'm barely putting any pressure on this. I don't want to damage the battery. Couple strips of, looks like Tessa tape. I'm going to go ahead and remove that old tape. And now I'm gently going to disconnect the proximity sensor assembly and the display assembly. And what's quite unique about this is you can just take the suction cups with you when you're ready to install it. You can just stick it back. Alright, let's get ready to install our new battery. We've got our new battery here with the adhesive pre-installed. And this battery roller, you'll notice, has this little metal pin here. And the repair trays have these cutouts that'll fit right there and allow it to glide smoothly along this runner here. And I can adjust it a little bit to the other slot here and move it so that we can put the correct amount of pressure on the battery when we install it. I'll put the phone back in, we'll take our new battery, and carefully peel away the protector. You want these pull tabs to stay above, you don't want them to go under. And we'll slide that in there and fit. And what I like to do is verify. I like to verify that the battery connector is going to line up nicely. And that's all in place. We'll go ahead and slide it in. We'll pull the lever down. You can see it's pushing nice and hard on there. And we're going to roll this. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Lift the lever. Alright, we're going to shift it over. Put the lever back down. 1, 2, 3. We'll take it out. Now I can take these pull tabs and then pull them out. Into the top two. And then that'll come off. I'll leave you with the battery perfectly installed. Alright, now I'm just going to clean up this frame and prep it to receive a new seal. We'll peel away the protective layer and install it in the phone. We'll peel back the first protective layer. And then I'll take the spudger. I'm just going to go around the border, get a nice firm press. What's quite nice is with the 12 series and 13 series, It comes with a press that actually pushes the adhesive down, and the press that we're going to use to make sure we got a good seal on the screen. But instead of using a nylon spudger, this simply goes in the phone and will push down perfectly on that screen seal. Alright, we'll take our screen, set that back in the slots, connect the display connectors. Alright, now we can connect the new battery and put back the bracket. It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide, when everything is a lie. Now I should be able to grab and pull on these tabs. Communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. Now I can pull on these little tabs and release the suction of the screen. And we'll carefully close the screen back down, push in the top, verify we're not getting pinched here on the edge with the flex cables, and we can push the whole screen down inside. Now to ensure a good seal, line up the holes with the pins there, and I'll go ahead and pull and push down and put pressure on that phone. And when you make that click, it starts a 30-second countdown. It'll beep letting you know it's done. We'll push down and pull out the knob, release the pressure on the phone, and we can take it out and put back the bottom screws. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel his tense, don't know the consequence. There's something about this that's just so satisfying with the way that it goes down. It's just a solid build. It's kind of fun how Apple put basically these little, instead of putting a label on it with the model, they just put these little symbols on each one. And this is the other battery press designed for the 12 series and up. Slightly different from the one we used in this video. Let me know in the comments below, if you have these tools, would you use them? I'll have links in the description where you can get these tools. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, so that you don't miss out on those future videos where I show you tools like these. Thanks a ton for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all.